Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So Tesla is continuing to drop. I know I got a lot of hate for basically saying that, oh, I think Tesla's creating tops at this like 680, 690 level. And I think it was like one of my most downvoted YouTube videos, I think, which was pretty nuts, right? I mean, you can definitely tell who are the Tesla bulls and like my, I guess, the people who follow me, right? There's a lot of people, I guess, who like Tesla, which is weird because I don't really talk too much about Tesla, which is the crazy part, right? But I did tell you guys, I'm like, around these levels, I'm like, it's not gonna last. I do think Tesla is gonna go all the way back down. I'm like, I do think it might even go all the way back down to the 620 level, maybe even 560. I haven't really done TA on Tesla in like a week or so, so I'll probably go back and look at it. But yeah, Tesla it looks like it's going down, it's tanking. I mean, I do have puts on, I think, NIO. So I think NIO is going to follow Tesla. It's going to keep tanking as well. And then we'll kind of see from there. But I'll see if I can do a new TA on Tesla today and a new TA on NIO. And then I'll let you guys know what I think is going on. But I do think Tex 46. Yeah, I do think for the most part, I mean, right now we're about to hit another support zone. In the next couple of we do fall like to like the 640, like 650 level. And I think from there, the next level down is going to be maybe 620-ish, but I don't know, right? Actually, I think the next level down, we actually broke 650. Yeah, if we do close under like 654, 653, I do think Tesla's going all the way down to like 560 at that point, honestly. And I think that's a really good buy. I think if it goes all the way back down to 560, I think that's a really good buy. But at this point, yeah, I do think we're going back down to 560. I'm like maybe 70-80% sure that that's going to happen. But let me look at the TA and I'll get back to you guys, all right? But as of right now, I am pretty bearish on Tesla. I'll see you guys later.